Hello everyone, myself Amit Patel. Welcome to my YouTube channel Technology with Amit. So in the previous video, I already show you my course modules. Like we are just covering the concept of introduction to data science, Python, Power BI, machine learning, and some different modules in the particular course in this course. So first we are just clearing the concept of Python. So for Python, I just give you which platform we are used to code on Python. So for that we are using Anaconda for the whole data science course. So I just give you how to download the Anaconda. So you just right here download Anaconda. So you just clicking on this particular website and click on the this icon. So you will download this particular Anaconda tool. So after downloading this, you just install in your system, and then you just open Jupyter notebook. So you just write in your system start menu, you have Jupyter notebook. So I already download this particular tool. So I just go to this particular page. So you can see we have the data. So in this I just create a new particular folder for working on the data science playlist. So I just create a new folder. So this is created a file, but we are just creating a new folder. So go to the new and just click on folder. So our new folder is to be created with name and untitled folder. So I just rename this particular folder. So you can see I just give priority on with the help of a particular symbol dollar. So they will show you on the top of the particular these folders. So I just make name. I give this name to data science tech with Amit. So rename this file, and you can see this is our top of the folder. So in this we all create a folder, name is to be untitled. We rename this with Python. So you can see this is our Python folder. In the Python folder we are creating a ip-binary file. This is our ip-binary file. I will explain you each and every in this. So you have you want to change the name of this particular file. So you just write here day 1 Python. So our file is to be changed with name day 1 Python. So you can easily find your notes on this particular Jupyter notebooks. This is cells. These are some cells. You are just writing code here, and after writing code you just execute with the help of shift plus enter. And you want to run with the different methods, so you just click on the run. So you just run these codes and just get the output of the particular code. So this is the running of particular code with the help of shift plus enter and this manual process. So this is our concept to running our program. And also we have a concept of creating a heading. Like we are just creating here a heading, like you just want to starting or discussing the concept of like variable. So you just create a heading variable. So you are just writing a particular line of content, and then go to heading and OK to click here, and then passing the heading size with the help of a star, increasing or decreasing. So we have 6 size of heading in this. So you just go to up to 6. After 6 they will give you some another type of content. So we are just creating first heading. So this is the one of the largest heading in the types of heading. So our heading is to be created. If you want to write the content or the paragraph in this particular coding, so you just writing like this is the concept of variable. So if you want to mark down this, so you can see with the help of this you can mark down this, and this is so like a paragraph or a content in this particular ip-binary file with the form of sales. So if you want to make some more type of these information or notes making, so you also use like I am creating a multi-line. So this is first, this is second, and we are just go to raw and nv convert. So this is same as you just write here. So they not change like this. So this is like a sale. In the sale we have writing something. So this is also another type of particular making a notes or heading. So this is clear. After this we are knowing about the kernel. If your code is to be dead or maybe some errors in your code or some the connectivity or some different types of errors, so you just restart and run all button. So they will restart your all the cells from top of the cells from the bottom. So they will restart and run all, also run all. If you just want restart but not run all these line of cells, so you use the restart and clear output. So they will just restart all but not getting the output on the window. So this is the concept of some different types of kernel restarting on some interrupts or restart. We have this. So after this we are just going to this maybe you want to create a new notebook, open a file particular, or just want to save a file or rename a file. So they will provide you some concept. So after this we are just knowing the concept of deleting this particular cell. So you just click here. So our cells is to be deleted. You can see our cells is to be deleted with the help of this button. If you want to add more cells, so you just click on the plus icon. So they will create add some new cells in this particular ipynb file. So this is clear to all. After this we are just knowing the concept of Python, what type of errors in the Python, like indentation concept or maybe a block concept. We are clearing on the all the concept. Like first I will show you the hello world program in the Python. In a Python we are just printing hello world in a one line of code. So you just write print. In the print I just pass hello world. So you can execute this with the help of shift plus enter. So they will give you hello world. In the Python you just write print. In the print you are passing the string. So they will give you the output. In the C or C++ or Java programming language, you are just creating a header function or some main function or some void function. After that we are just applying the printf function in the C or in the C++, C out, C in. You are using that. After that we are just printing the particular hello world. But in the Python you are writing just print. In the print you are just passing your line of string or any type of word. You just print this. So this is our format or the concept of printing hello world in this particular Python programming language. After this we are just going to the next concept is to be how to comment Python in the Python. So with the help of hash you can comment any line of code. So just I just want to comment this particular code. So hello Amit. So this is our comment code. So they will not execute because we are commenting this. So the comment is to be clear, and after this we are just going to the next concept is to be the variable. In the Python or any other programming language we have concept variable. Variable is one of the basic or the important concept we learned this. So what is variable? In real life example I will show you the example, like in a kitchen or in a different type of storing fields or areas. We are just storing, like we are storing a rice or maybe some different type of food material in the box. So basically variable is a box like a like storing a kitchen things and all. So we are clearing the concept with the help of that example. So in the programming language we are storing the data in the variables, like we are storing the name of particular person. So we are using the variable. So we are declaring a variable, assigning the values and calling the variable. So first we are clearing the variable concept with declaring variable, like we are creating var1 is to variable 1. In this variable 1 we are storing the particular age of person. So I declare 19. So variable 1 is to be stored 19 value, and after this I just print this. So they will give you the 19. So in this code the 19 or the value, any other value you can store in the variable, and after that we are just calling or with the help of print function you just also print this. So I just write print, and in the print we are passing var1. This is our raw NV. So we are changing with code. So they will give you output 19. So this is our output or printing the variable format. After this we are just concept of like the type of, want to find the type of this particular variable. So I just write print type of this particular var1. So you get the type of this particular variable, so you get integer type of data in this particular variable. So after this we are just declaring another variable with the help of like I am just declaring name variable. In the name we are passing my name, so our name variable is stored my name. So you can see we are output of this, so we have Amit in the particular variable. So with the help of print function you get same output, but in this we have the in the form of a string, or in the form this is to be normal. So we just want to get the type of this particular function, so we are writing like print type of this particular variable name is to be name. So you get a string, this is the type of string data, so they will give you the answer string. If you want just making a variable like we have data variable, but variable name is to be data. In the data variable we are just putting the value like 12 point something. So this is the data we are storing 12.3, but the type of this data you can see we have the type of data is to be float. So this is the float type data, and the point we are storing float type of data, so they will give you type float. We also have a concept of like casting. With the help of casting you are just changing the type of that particular variable, like we are writing 18, but we are changing this into the string, so you are just casting with like in the next video we are clearing these concepts. Also in the next video we are just clearing the concept of valid or invalid variables. In the Python programming language there are some valid variables, there are some non-valid variables. We are also clearing that, and after that we are just also one more concept of the global variable or local variable in Python programming language. So our variable is clear in the next video. So thank you so much. Subscribe my YouTube channel Technology with Amit. Thank you.